In the eye of a hurricane, I felt calm before the storm. Holding you in my arms, holding tighter than before. I never knew what I'd find, hoping for the best. But the only thing in my arms was my own regret. As the wind blew more, it wiped away my tears, saying I'd be alright. But someone's not right here. It held me close and stayed with me through the night. Yes, it held me close and stayed with me through the night. In the eye of a hurricane, I saw my life before my eyes, reliving all those moments, seeing what went right, doubting the path I chose. Hope I could reset, but you only get one chance. Now it's just regret. As the wind blew more, it wiped away my tears, saying I'd be alright. But something's not right here. It held me close and stayed with me through the night. Yes, it held me close and stayed with me through the night. Whoa, 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 whoa. But the eye of a hurricane, the only calm before the storm. Everything around us broken down to the core. The friends who tried to help have all gone and left. The people I care about